Hi, I'm Emily from iThemeLinko, and today I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to export WooCommerce orders as CSV files. Export orders to CSV without a plugin. Advanced order export to XML using WooCommerce defaults. Export orders using the WooCommerce Orders bulk edit plugin. If you're not sure which method is best for you, continue watching to get familiar with them in detail. Export orders CSV using default WooCommerce order report. If you want to use WooCommerce default export feature, navigate to WooCommerce, Reports, and Orders tab. In this page, you can just filter the orders based on dates. You have to choose one of the options like year, last month, this month, last 7 days, or custom date, which means to filter all orders registered in your store in the date range you need. Finally, click on the Go button to see the orders report in the chart. After generating the order report, you can easily export them to CSV file by pressing the Export CSV button on top of the right corner of the page. The CSV file is automatically downloaded and saved to your system. Advanced order export to XML file using default WooCommerce order report. Now let's review the steps to export orders as XML file together. First, let's navigate to Tools and Export tab. On this page, you can export various data including posts, pages, products, and etc. Unfortunately, no filter option has been considered for the orders option. Therefore, you can go to the next step without any additional tasks. Mark orders from the list and press the Download Export File button. As soon as you click on Download Export File button, all orders and related data will be downloaded as an XML file and saved in your system. As you have seen, limited filters and the inability to select specific orders make these methods impractical for managing real orders on websites that receive a large number of orders. For this reason, I will explain the best plugin to WooCommerce export orders as CSV file. Before I get started, make sure to subscribe and like this video to stay updated with our latest WooCommerce tips. Export orders using the WooCommerce Orders bulk edit plugin. If you want to filter and export orders in a customized way, the WooCommerce Orders bulk edit plugin is your ultimate solution. Let's review the steps for advanced order export with this plugin. Step 1. Download and install WooCommerce Orders bulk edit plugin. You must download and install the WooCommerce Orders bulk editing plugin to your WordPress website in a few minutes. After activation, navigate to IT Bulk Editing and Woo Orders. In addition to the order table, I designed a comprehensive toolbar on top of the table, including all required tools for order management like bulk editing, filtering, exporting, and many more. Step 2. Filter orders list. The WooCommerce Orders bulk edit plugin comes with a useful filter form that supports all WooCommerce order fields and custom fields. To use this form for filtering orders, you just need to open the filter form by pressing the related icon in the toolbar. Then you can open one of the tabs like General, Billing, Pricing, and set your filter form. Finally, by pressing Get Orders button, you can see the list of all filtered products in the table. Step 3. Export orders. After filtering the orders, click on the Import Export button in the toolbar. In the Import Export form, you can choose one of the options from order and fields based on your needs, and then press Export Now to export orders as a CSV file. To help you choose the right option in order and fields, let's review them individually. All orders in the table and all fields. This option is useful when you need to export all orders that you have filtered before with the data related to all orders fields. Example 1. Export all data of New York customers' orders. To do this, you have to go to the filter form and open the Billing tab. Now locate billing city and write New York. Then click on the Get Orders button. Now you can easily open the Import Export form and mark all orders in table and all fields respectively. Press Export Now to download your filtered orders in a CSV file. Next option is only selected orders in all fields. These options are helpful when you want to export some of the orders you have filtered before. Let's try this option with the 3 first orders of the previous example. To make this happen, you just need to mark the first 3 orders in the table and then go to the import-export form. Now, by choosing only selected orders in all fields and pressing export now, all data related to the selected orders will be exported in a CSV file. Okay, next one, all orders in table and only visible fields. This option is practical when you want to export the data of some specific orders fields related to filtered orders in the table. For example, let's try to export the sum information for the customers we have filtered in the previous example. To make this happen, follow me. First, open the column profile, mark order date, status, order total, billing first and last name, and billing fund in the form. Now press Apply to Table button. Open the Import-Export form and mark all orders in table in only visible fields. Then press the Export Now button. Only selected orders and only visible fields. This option is almost the same as the previous one, except you can select some orders in the table to export some of their data in a CSV file. Then mark some of the orders in the table and try to export their data by selecting only selected orders and only visible fields in the import-export form. And that's it. In this video, we showed you 2 easy ways to export orders as you have seen. Our plugin offers advanced features to manage and edit orders efficiently. Try our plugin for powerful order management and don't forget to subscribe and like for more WooCommerce tips.